Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at a Nintendo Switch accessory, namely the Super Mario Pro controller, or should I say the Face-Off Deluxe Wired Pro controller. Right, so this is supposed to be a cheaper alternative to the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, and I know there's a lot of them out there, but this one's special and unique in that it contains faceplates, Mario and Luigi, and it also has rear programmable buttons, something you'd see in a more professional kind of controller. And as you can see, it comes with faceplates, USB cable, manual, and all the works. So, Rayan, you ready to unbox it?
Yes.
Alright, let's get on with that. Alright, so you just gotta pull that tab.
Oh, maybe you have to make it up and then do it.
Yeah, you just have to pull it out. And you gotta, there's some slits here we gotta cut. Alright, so just pull it out. Okay. Alright, so just pull out the controller everywhere. That's the controller. What else inside? It's the faceplate. Manual. That's the controller. Oh, it's like a glossy colored red. And there is wow, that's a long cable. Nothing else. Alright. Manual. Yada yada yada. And here's what the faceplate looks like.
Hey!
And here's the Luigi color, glossy green. So glossy green and glossy red. Wow, it's really light.
It's not heavy at all.
Oh. So how you take out the faceplate, so you just pull from here, I guess. You pull from the corners and it starts to snap out. Okay. And you have a very Frankenstein controller, and you could swap the faceplates. And now you have the Luigi edition. Wait, how do you just, I think you just snap it in place. Yeah, there you go. So how does it feel in the hand? It feels light, right?
Yeah, and it feels
but
right.
What I like about this is that it has metal sticks for the analog sticks. That's pretty cool. It's not gonna scratch up, and the buttons feel nice. I like the triggers. It's very close to the Pro controller from Nintendo. Like, I mean, you're not gonna get the same exact feel, but it's not bad. And just for comparison, here's another wired controller. This is the Hori wired controller, and no, that won't fit on this. But you can see that these guys went for a very different design, a more bigger grip. But this is more closer to the official Pro controller. And just for comparison's sake, here is the Pro controller, the Xenoblade version, but with some control freaks and control grip. But it feels very similar, especially the triggers feel very close to the official Pro controller. And by the way, this is a Nintendo officially licensed controller, so it's not like you're getting
I'm on the Mario one.
Right, so Rayan prefers the Mario Red. I mean, sorry Luigi, but Mario is the superior brother. And by the way, this comes with a USB Type-C cable, so it's USB Type-C and it's detachable. Yeah, let's give this controller a try. Alright, so we've got the cable connected to a USB on-the-go connector, and that's by the way, that's a Hori stand. And yeah, you can program the buttons in the back. See these two triggers? You can program them via this button right here. It lets you change whatever controller. We just configured it for A and B. And Rayan's gonna give it a try. Why don't you try pressing the back triggers and see what happens? Alright, so can you press the back triggers and back? Does it work?
Yeah.
Is it working the same way? How does the D-pad feel? Does the stick feel okay?
Yeah.
What about the D-pad? Does the D-pad feel good?
Yeah.
Do you feel better than the Joy-Con D-pad?
Yeah.
So all in all, it's not a bad controller. It's like about 20 bucks off Amazon. And the sticks feel really good. I mean, even compared to the original Pro controller from Nintendo, the sticks feel much better. The buttons are, you know, the way mushy buttons feel on third-party controllers, but it's not bad. It's not too sticky. They're really responsive. Triggers feel really good. The D-pad, however, the D-pad's really good. It's really good for games like Street Fighter and 2D games like Sonic. About the back triggers, I don't know, Ryan, do you think they're good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like them with the Sonic or whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not a bad controller, plus you're getting 2 different colors, I guess, green or red if you want. The only thing is, you're losing motion controls, there's no NFC, there's no vibration, but for 20 bucks, it's not a bad alternative for people who want the Pro controller, but don't want to pay around 70 bucks for a Pro controller. So, would you give this a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
You like this? You like the red color, right?
Yeah.
Because you're a Mario fan.
Yeah.
Obviously, we can't do a Mario controller video without Mario Odyssey.
Oh. Yeah, I need a moon. Where? Oh, it's nice. The triggers look good. Ooh. You can hear that voice there. You can see the frog going there.
So you like the feel of this controller?
Yeah. Yeah, this controller, feels good. It feels good over this controller. Ooh. There we go. Yeah. Yikes.